Welcome back to the Grill Masters Podcast, where we help you grill boldly and serve proudly. I'm Keith, your guide to mastering the art of grilling, one episode at a time. Today I'm answering a question I get all the time. Why do you use the main grill chamber instead of the firebox on your budget-friendly offset grill? If you've ever struggled with maintaining heat or wondered if you're using your offset grill effectively, this episode is for you. Offset smokers are incredibly popular among barbecue enthusiasts. They have that classic design we associate with competition barbecue and promise perfectly smoked meats. For many of us, buying one feels like a rite of passage in the grilling world. But here's the truth. Budget-friendly offset smokers don't always work as advertised. Without modifications, they can leave you frustrated instead of delivering those picture-perfect barbecue results. Let's start with the biggest issue, heat management. Many budget-friendly offset grills are made with thin metal, which allows heat to escape quickly. Adding gaps and pore seals and maintaining consistent temperature becomes a challenge. Then there's the issue of fuel efficiency. You'll go through a lot of charcoal or wood just to keep the grill hot enough to cook. Cold weather, it makes things even harder. The firebox, while designed as the primary fuel source, doesn't always function efficiently on these grills. Heat and smoke often escape before they can circulate properly into the main chamber. This results in uneven cooking and wasted energy. This is why I prefer using the main grill chamber. It retains heat much better thanks to its larger size and better airflow. For me, this alone makes it a more reliable choice. The main chamber also allows for a two-zone setup. One side works for direct heat to sear, while the other handles the indirect heat for slow cooking or smoking. It gives you far more versatility. And of course, the main chamber provides more space. Whether you're cooking larger cuts of meat or multiple items at once, it's just easier to work with. That's not to say the firebox doesn't have its place. It's great for burning fuel and adding a smoky element to your cook, but it comes with drawbacks that require constant attention. Uneven heat is another challenge with the firebox. Without modifications, it often produces hot spots that can lead to inconsistent temperatures in the main chamber. Flavor control is also limited when the firebox isn't working efficiently. Inconsistent burns or insufficient airflow can lead to bad smoke, which affects the taste of your food. If you're set on using the firebox, there are some ways to improve your grill's performance. Start by sealing any gaps with gasket tape to help retain heat. This small modification can make a big difference. Use a water pan near the firebox opening. It stabilizes temperatures and adds moisture, which can help prevent your meat from drying out. Consider adding a baffle plate. This will redirect heat and smoke evenly across the cooking surface, reducing hot spots and improving overall performance. That said, the main chamber is still my go-to for simplicity. With a two-zone setup, I can control the cooking environment more easily. It simplifies the process and delivers more consistent results. Speaking of two-zone setups, if you're curious about mastering this technique, check out my digital guide, Grill Temperature Zones Made Easy. It's a step-by-step resource to help you perfect two-zone grilling and get the most out of your grill. You'll find the link in the description below. And here's a pro tip for adding smoke. Use dry wood chunks. Soaking them doesn't do much to extend burn time and often results in uneven smoke production. So what's the takeaway? Budget-friendly offset smokers can be challenging, but they're also a great way to learn the fundamentals of heat management and smoke control. Experiment with your setup and find what works best for your style of cooking. For me, the main grill chamber offers better heat retention, more control, greater cooking space, and more reliable results. It's a practical choice that makes grilling and smoking far less frustrating. To recap, here's why I use the main chamber instead of the firebox on my budget-friendly offset grill. Better heat retention, easier temperature control, more space, and consistent results. If you found this helpful, share it with your fellow grillers and subscribe to the podcast. Don't forget to check out the show notes for the link to Grill Temperature Zones Made Easy and other helpful resources. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process.